Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show how to install Linux on Windows using WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Using WSL, we can run a real Linux environment inside Windows without installing any virtual machine software. Using WSL, we can run a real Linux environment inside Windows without installing any virtual machine software. So let's start. First open command prompt, search cmd run as administrator. Now we'll install WSL. Type the following command WSL install. So this command automatically enable all the required Windows features, downloads the Linux kernel and prepare your system for Linux distribution. So we do no need to configure any manually. Just press enter. So it will start downloading all and installing. Now the installation will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, it will ask you to restart your system. Now Ubuntu is installing. Now installation is done. We need to restart our computer. So I am going to restart now. Now restart is completed. Now we can search Ubuntu in search bar. Now you can see run as administrator, user account control, click yes. So it will take some time to complete the setup. So installation is done. So you need to be create a username for Unix environment. So I am taking my name. So click enter. So we are getting this error. Mainly WS tried to start background Linux service for the root user, but we have not configured our username and password, so we are getting this error. Once we will provide username and password, this error will not come. I am giving password as 1234. So this password will not show for security reason for Linux environment. Once you have entered, then it will retype the same password 1234. So now password update successfully. We have created our username and password. Sometimes you may see a warning message during fast launch, but don't worry, just continue creating the username and password. Great, now Ubuntu is successfully installed on our system. We are now inside the Linux terminal. Let's test with some basic command. So type pwd and enter. Pwd means print working directory. This command shows the current directory. So same as pwd, I can use ls. Ls means list. So same ll. So ll command is showing all file and folder present inside that same directory. So cd command used for change directory. So now I am present in home directory. So I will move to rashes directory. So cd rashes pwd. So home.rashes. Cd dot dot means it will be moved to back folder. So home folder. I am closing this window. Close this window. Thank you.